Hello and welcome to another video walk around with myself, Jennifer, at Toyota Northwest Edmonton. Today we're looking at your 2018 Toyota Camry LE. It's a 4-door, 5-passenger front-wheel drive sedan in a sleek and sophisticated celestial silver. Under the hood, you'll find a 2.5-liter inline 4-cylinder engine, and you'll be riding on top of 17-inch wheels. On the front there, you have your pre-collision system with pedestrian detection, as well as your lane departure alert with steering assist, and your dynamic radar cruise control as part of your Toyota Safety Sense. Helping you into your Camry is your handy key fob. It has the lock, the unlock, as well as your trunk release and your panic button. To unlock your driver's side, simply press once, and to unlock all 4 doors, press twice. As you can see, you have that chrome detailing with your turn signal indicator on your side mirror there. Opening it up to take a look now. Right away, you're greeted by a very comfortable and sophisticated interior. You have that metal trim on the side, as well as your power windows and your power locks and your power adjustable side mirrors. Right now we're seeing a glimpse of your dashboard with that leather trim and that brown contrasting stitching for added style. Below you have your fully automatic high beams, your traction control, your trunk, and your gas door release. You do have a full set of all-weather floor mats fit perfectly to your Camry to keep everything nice and tidy. You also do have your power adjustable driver's seat. Your passenger side is also power adjustable. And check out these cool two-tone soft interiors all throughout, and that detail put into it to add that extra sporty touch. But why don't we hop on inside and start it up? Starting up your Camry, simply flip your key out from your key fob here, put it into the ignition, your foot's on the brake, and that engine's going to start up for you. Check out that cool ambient lighting. You also have that sweet welcome screen that just adds that extra touch of class. You also do have your multi-information display, which you can control from your steering wheel mounted controls. So right now we're open to your Toyota Safety Sense features like your lane departure alert and your pre-collision system. If you open it up, you can set the system to turn on and off, or you can also set the sensitivity as well. Below here you have your volume control, voice command, and hands-free calling. You also do have your cruise control mounted right to your steering wheel with that dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure alert mounted there. That dynamic radar cruise control is also part of your Toyota Safety Sense and helps to keep distance and speed while on your cruise control mode. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn on the lights here so that you can see your screen. You do have your audio system right here, so it is equipped with your AM FM radio. You also have your USB auxiliary input with your Bluetooth audio, so you can bring your music wherever you go. Now shifting into reverse, you're going to see that your backup camera also pops up on your LCD screen, which is a great feature to have to keep you, your Camry, and everybody that's important to you nice and safe. Below here you have your climate control. You have your air conditioning as well, which will definitely come in handy when it starts getting cold outside. And with your heated rear mirrors, your side mirrors also are heated. Perfect for those cold Alberta winters. Below here it is a little bit dark, but you have your 12-volt DC charger and your USB auxiliary input, and the storage below here to store all of your cables and your media. That shelf slides back nicely. You have that leather trim on your shift knob, as well as that black trim tying all of that style together, and easily accessible to you is your heated seats for both your driver and your passenger side. Inside your center console, you do have a soft mat in there, which is removable, so it's easy to keep clean. Taking a better look at that dashboard now, you have the mix of that brown metallic trim as well as that leather with that brown contrasting stitching tying all of that style together. And inside of your glove box you have all the manuals you'll need to know everything there is to know about your Camry. Plus there's a light in there with that lock as well to keep everything nice and safe. plenty of stylish options built right into your Camry. But why don't we head on back and take a look at cargo. Here we are at the back cargo area of your Camry. To open up that trunk, simply hold that release button on your fob. It'll pop open for you. A great feature to have, especially if you have your hands full. Take a look at all that space that's available to you in the back of your vehicle, as well as your 40/60 split folding seats with that quick release with easy access for you in case you need to carry any larger items. You do have your cargo lamp in the back here, as well as underneath you have your tools and your jack, as well as underneath that you have your spare tire all organized in case anything does happen on the side of the road there. Put it back nicely for you. You have your emergency release up there, as well as your hooks to install your cargo net. Closing it up now. As you can see, you do have a backup camera, as well as your chrome badging for your Camry and your LE. As we take one more look at the back of your Camry. Taking one final look at your 2018 Toyota Camry LE. With plenty of convenience features like your Bluetooth connectivity, your backup camera, and your premium comfort seating, you'll definitely be riding away in the ultimate style. But don't just take my word for it. Come on in, take it for a test drive. We are at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St. Albert Trail.